Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. How long does a kitchen remodel take in Phoenix, Arizona? A well-executed kitchen remodel can increase your home's value and enhance your daily life and cooking experiences. But how long does a kitchen remodel take in Phoenix, Arizona? Each remodel is unique with its own set of variables. The duration hinges on factors like design complexity, space size, and whether any structural changes are involved. It's essential to have a detailed project plan before starting so that you can anticipate potential obstacles and manage expectations. With careful planning and an understanding of what the process entails, you'll be better prepared to turn your dream kitchen into reality without too much disruption to your everyday life. What is the timeline for a kitchen remodel in Phoenix? You might be wondering why a kitchen remodel takes so long in Phoenix. The answer lies in the complex processes governed by local building codes and regulated timelines. Additional factors such as design complexity, material availability, or unforeseen challenges can further influence your kitchen remodel timeline. Why does a kitchen remodel take so long? Imagine walking into your dream kitchen, only to realize after weeks of waiting due to the numerous processes involved in a kitchen remodel. Several factors can affect the duration of a remodeling project in Phoenix. These factors include remodeling challenges such as local building codes and unforeseen structural issues, material selection, which may require particular order or have delivery delays, contractor availability, which can fluctuate depending on their workload, design changes that you decide to make mid-project, and unexpected delays related to weather conditions or permitting. Additional factors affecting kitchen remodel timelines. While planning for a new-look cooking space is undoubtedly exciting, there's more to consider than just the basics when gauging how much time you'll need. Material availability also plays a significant role. If your dream countertop or custom cabinets aren't readily accessible, you may have to wait weeks or months for them to arrive. And then there's contractor scheduling. Good contractors are often booked out months in advance, which may extend your timeline. Design changes during the remodeling process can add considerable time. Even seemingly minor alterations can necessitate reconfiguring plumbing or electrical systems, requiring additional labor and perhaps another round of inspections. Unexpected issues, discovered once walls are opened up, such as outdated wiring or hidden water damage, can throw a wrench into even the most meticulously planned schedules. How long does it take to redesign a kitchen? You're planning to redesign your kitchen, but you're still determining how long it might take. The time frame for replacing kitchen cabinets and countertops can vary considerably depending on several factors, such as the complexity of the design, availability of materials, and any unexpected issues that may arise during construction. As a kitchen remodeling company who are familiar with local building codes, we'll help guide you through a detailed project plan while ensuring all aspects are handled efficiently and in compliance with regulations. How long does it take to replace kitchen cabinets and countertops? Replacing your cabinets and countertops typically takes 1 to 2 weeks, transforming the heart of your home from drab to fab. The cabinet selection process can be one of the most time-consuming aspects of this task, as you'll need to consider style, durability, and functionality while staying within budget. Countertop material choices are equally important. Granite needs sealing yearly, while quartz is low maintenance but often more expensive. Throughout this process, you might face installation challenges such as uneven floors or walls that require additional prep work. While timeline expectations are essential for project planning, preparing for unexpected delays that could extend your remodeling timeline is equally vital. In Phoenix, significantly, understanding local building codes and ensuring compliance can also add to your timeline, so it's best not left as an afterthought. Can you stay in-house during kitchen remodel? It's possible to stay at home during a kitchen remodel in Phoenix, Arizona, but you'll need to prepare for some disruption and inconvenience. Your living arrangements may be chaotic as areas of your home become construction zones filled with dust, debris, and constant construction noise. Meal planning will also become more challenging without access to your usual appliances and prep spaces. You might have to rely on takeout or microwave meals for a while. And remember, remodeling safety is paramount. If kids or pets are in the house, they should always be kept far from the work area. Setting up a temporary kitchen elsewhere in your home can make this process easier. Think about what essentials you'll need daily. A microwave, toaster oven, coffee maker, and mini fridge could do the trick. Keep non-perishable foods handy and consider using disposable utensils to minimize dishwashing needs. Also, ensure all pathways are clear of tools or other potential hazards. Safety during this period can't be overemphasized. What time of year is best to remodel a kitchen? While there's no hard and fast rule, planning your major home updates for the spring or fall seasons is often the most convenient. These periods are preferable due to a few key factors: contractor availability, material availability, weather impacts, and potential seasonal discounts. Spring and fall are less hectic for contractors in Phoenix, Arizona, which makes scheduling your kitchen remodel easier. This doesn't only mean that the work can start sooner, it also implies that you'll get more attention from the crew throughout the job. Also, there is usually better availability of materials during these periods, allowing for a smoother project flow without unexpected delays. Weather impacts have to be considered as well. Phoenix has a desert climate with extremely hot summers that could slow down outdoor-related tasks or even indoor tasks if cooling systems are affected by the renovation process. Planning your remodel during milder weather reduces this risk and leads to a more predictable timeline. Some suppliers offer seasonal discounts during spring and fall when demand tends not to peak. This could save you money on high-quality products for your new kitchen. Last but importantly, remember holiday considerations. If hosting gatherings is essential for you around specific holidays like Thanksgiving or Christmas, planning your remodel outside those times will ensure minimal disruption to these special moments, serving others in your beautifully updated space. Real-life examples: kitchen remodel timelines in Phoenix. Let's dive into some concrete examples, shall we? It's one thing to talk about the best time to spruce up your cooking space, but it's another to see how it plays out in real-life scenarios in the Valley of the Sun. One Phoenix homeowner started their remodeling journey by consulting local Phoenix contractors in late January. After finalizing design choices and cost estimates by mid-February, they hit a snag with getting the necessary remodeling permits due to an influx of applications at that time. This delayed them till early March. The next step was ordering materials, which, due to availability, took until late April for everything to arrive. Remember, certain items may take longer depending on demand and global supply chain issues. Then came demolition and construction. The homeowners were lucky as their chosen contractors had a well-planned schedule and efficient workers who completed this part within 3 weeks. With all these factors considered, their kitchen remodel was complete by early June. This timeline is a practical example of what you might experience when planning your kitchen remodel in Phoenix. However, each project can differ based on individual circumstances, such as the scope of work and unforeseen issues during construction. Conclusion. So, you're ready to transform your Phoenix kitchen. Just remember the timeline varies depending on the scope of your project. A full-scale remodel could take several months, while simpler updates only require a few weeks. It's possible to stay in your house during the remodel, but consider how comfortable you'll be amidst the construction. What is the best time for a kitchen remodel? That depends on your schedule and budget. But don't worry, with proper planning and experienced professionals, you can enjoy a stress-free renovation process in Phoenix. Ready to transform your kitchen? Contact Phoenix Home Remodeling today and schedule your dream kitchen remodel. Our experienced professionals will guide you through the process, ensuring a stress-free renovation experience. Don't wait any longer, turn your kitchen into a beautiful and functional space. FAQs, Kitchen Remodeling Timeline in Phoenix, Arizona. How much does a kitchen remodel in Phoenix typically cost? A kitchen remodel in Phoenix can cost anywhere from a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars. Popular styles include modern and farmhouse. For budget tips, consider hiring contractors for specific tasks. What factors can affect the duration of a kitchen remodel in Phoenix? Factors affecting the duration of a kitchen remodel in Phoenix include the permit process, remodeling timeline, material selection, hiring contractors, and budget planning. These factors are crucial in determining how long your project will take. Can I continue using my kitchen during the remodeling process? During remodeling, you can set up a temporary kitchen in another area of your home or use alternative cooking options like a microwave or outdoor grill. Properly manage dust and debris to minimize the impact on your daily routine, store, and access kitchen items as needed. Are there any specific regulations or codes that need to be followed for kitchen remodeling in Phoenix? You must abide by some regulations and codes regarding kitchen remodeling in Phoenix. Ensure to obtain the necessary permits and follow the guidelines for a smooth renovation process. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.